Stella. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to book a room.
Certainly, sir. What date would you like to stay with us?
I'd like to stay for 2 nights.
Okay, sir. How many rooms would you like to book?
Just one room.
Okay, sir. And what type of room are you looking for? We have a single, premium deluxe, and suites available here.
I'll take the unit after first.
Okay, sir. Our premium deluxe is $900 per night, and we also have a CTV option available.
Sounds great. I'll take the CTV.
Excellent. Can I have your name, sir?
My name is Gabriel.
Thank you, Mr. Tombok. I just need your credit card to ensure your booking.
My card number is 737.
And what type of payment are you going to use, sir?
I'll stay para baka.
Thank you, Mr. Tombok. Your booking is now complete and you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details. You need anything else, don't hesitate to contact us.
Morning, sir. And then you check in. Can I take the luggage?
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you?
I'd like to stay, but I didn't book online.
Let me check for the availability. We have a junior deluxe room for good for 2 person and 5,900 per night.
That sounds great. Can you tell me more about the reservation?
Sir, the room is located in 5th floor and over the city of view.
I'll take it from online, please.
May I have your name, sir, and some information about yourself?
My name is John Mar Macabulo from Bulacan and I'm 25 years old.
Thank you, sir. Your room reservation, sir, confirmed Junior Deluxe for 1 night under the name of John Mar Macabulo.
That's great.
Our payment terms require 50% with the balance due upon checkout.
That's fine.
May I have your card, please? And could you sign here and provide your phone number, sir?
Sure.
Here's your room key card, and the envelope is include the complimentary breakfast for tomorrow. Is there anything, sir?
No, thank you. Could you help my bag setup, please?
Our butler will assist you. Butler, assist Mr. John to his room.
Yes, sir. You have a reservation. You book 1 suite room for 2 nights. Right.
Excuse me. I think there's mixed up with my reservation. I supposed to have a room with junior deluxe, but confirmation email said I have a room with suite room. Can you please double check that?
I'm sorry for that, sir. Let me take a look. Okay, sir, you are right. The reservation says it's a suite room, but your email says it's a deluxe room. Let me check the system if there's available for deluxe room. Unfortunately, sir, it looks like all our junior deluxe is fully booked for tonight. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Would you be okay to stay with the suite room, or would you prefer to speak with our manager?
I specifically requested a year deluxe room because I like the extra space for work. I can't really settle for this. I have a long day for meetings.
I understand, sir, and sincerely apologize for the mishap. Let me call our manager. Maybe he can resolve this. Good morning, Mr. Lats. We have a situation here at the process. Mr. Tumbok's reservation is he booked suite room, but his confirmation is he booked junior deluxe, but all our junior deluxe is fully booked right now. What we should do?
Let's see how we make Mr. Tumbok stay as comfortable as possible. Good morning, Mr. Tumbok. I'm Lance, the office of manager. I mean, there's some big commotion for your reservation. I want to necessarily apologize for any inconvenience.
Thank you for coming over. Yes, I'm really looking forward to the junior deluxe room that I do. I really need the space. I really need the space for my work.
I completely understand, Mr. Tumbok. Let me tell you, what I'm going to do, which is the truth. We don't have any more deluxe rooms available right now. I personally am looking for R1 of premium suite. It's got more space and a large work area reservation for your inconvenience.
That sounds much better. But is there any additional or
Not at all, Mr. Tumbok. This upgrade is about is almost nature of goodwill for the inconvenience. We make sure your stay is as comfortable as possible.
well, thank you. I appreciate your help. This is exactly what I wanted.
Is almost nature of goodwill for the inconvenience. We make sure your stay is as comfortable as possible.
Well, thank you. I appreciate your help. This is exactly what I wanted.
This is your button, Mr. Tumbok.
Thank you for stepping in, Mr. Lance. I'll start the recording.
No problem, Lori. Customer service is all about finding the possible solution. Mr. Tumbok is needed a junior deluxe room, and we make it happen. Thank you, sir. Please come.
Sir, you follow me. Sir, we're ready for now. Please come in. Okay, sir, we're in the fifth floor. Please follow me. So, before we enter the room, let me explain the facilities of our room to ensure your stay as comfortable as possible. So, we have main restaurant, like Mesa Restaurant, as located on the third floor. So, these restaurants are make international and local dishes, and we have a Crystal Restaurant, Crystal Restaurant Bar located on the fourth floor. The Crystal Restaurant Bar is only open in 24 hours, and we have a casino in the ground floor. Also, the casino open in 24 hours again, and we have a coffee area in third floor. And for the last, we have a swimming pool in the rooftop. So we have a 2 swimming pool, like hot and cold swimming pool. And if you have any questions, sir, don't hesitate to ask me.
Okay, thank you for the information. I like the message. I think trying to see this give it.
Okay, sir, we are in front of your door. May I borrow your luggage? May I borrow your ticket?
Okay, this is my gift.
Okay, sir, let me open the door for you. Sir, please come in.
Wala ma'am, ang hirap ano yun nila. Hindi abot ma'am, hindi abot. Hindi abot yung ano nila yung phone eh. Hanggang dito lang sa gitna oh.
Good morning. Attention. All the front desk personnel, let me remind you that we have a meeting later on Mr. John's office. Don't be late. That's all. Thank you.